Okay, so we begin now by applying Shine Degreaser onto the grout. Now we do this so we can soak the most heaviest part of the tile, which is the grout. That's where everything sinks into. Obviously you spray the whole tile. Now we begin very lightly. This is not the grout brush I would recommend, but it was the brush my client had when I was at her place. It was very sporadic. So, okay, the one thing that I really want you to know and pay attention to is the brush. I'm letting the bristles do the job. The degreaser has soaked into the grout. Even though I've only left it on for about a minute, a couple of minutes tops. Now the bristles are agitating all of the grooves of the grout. Now you can see the dirt is coming out. So that means the grout is dirty, it's not stained. Now you can see I'm using about 3 fingers just to move my brush, and I'm doing that for a reason. Okay, now we're going to agitate the tile and see if the tile has a build-up of chemical residue. Now, I want you to go up and down. I can do circles because I know exactly where I've cleaned. I'm being very present with my floor. So if it's your first time, clean using the up and down mode. If working in circular motion works better for you, then you do it in circular motions. Just don't double clean the same thing 2 or 3 times. Now we're removing the product, so there's no more Shine Degreaser on the floor at all. We'll go over it one more time just to make sure. Now, because I need results right now, I'm just going to wipe the tile dry to see if we actually need to do the whole floor, or if the tile is just the tile. Now, as you can see, and I'll come up a little bit closer in a minute, there is no markings on the floor at all. Have a look up close. See how there's nothing cloudy. Now look at this one. I'm trying to get a good position to show you. You can obviously see the difference is massive, but can you see all of the markings in the tile? Now that tile there is